Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix Ghost Touch problem on Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. So first, a ghost touch issue is when your screen registers touches or inputs that you didn't make, like it's ghosting random movements on its own. I know it's frustrating, but you can easily fix that. So first, what you guys can do is try and restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now click restart and tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarting. So now after restarting your phone, what you guys can do is clean the screen, because dirt, moisture or oil on the screen can cause some unintended touches. So use a fiber cloth to clean the screen thoroughly, and then you can easily put water on it or a screen cleaner, but not much, just a bit, and make sure that there's no debris or moisture on the screen, as it can mess with the touch sensitivity. So as you guys can see, let me just give it a couple of swipes and it should be all good. So now what you guys can do is try removing the screen protector or the case, because they could be misaligned, pressing on the screen in certain areas and causing the touch screen to misbehave. So try removing any screen protectors and phone cases, and after removing them, test the screen to see if the ghost touch still happens. Now, if it still happens, then go over and check for the software issues. So, not the software issues, but the software update. So now scroll down in the settings to software update, click download and install, and make sure that you're running the latest version, just like me. So now, if there's an update available, then simply install it and check if the ghost touch stops happening. So now, after checking the software update, then we can move on to the checking for interfering Bluetooth or external devices. Sometimes Bluetooth or USB accessories can cause interference with the touchscreen, so go to settings. Now go over to connections right up top here and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled or no devices are connected. And if you're using a USB adapter, then try removing it and see if the issue persists. So if not, then what you guys can try is reset all settings. So go over to the, let me show you guys, go over to the general management. Here scroll a bit down until you guys see reset, and now click reset all settings here. Basically, it will reset mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and accessibility, as you guys can see here. But it will keep all of your data. But if the reset all settings did not help you, then you may want to factory data reset your phone. So first, back up every important file that you have, and then click here, scroll down until you guys see reset, enter your password if you have one, and then click delete all. And if the issue still persists even after the factory reset, then check for hardware issues. There could be a hardware problem with the digitizer or the touchscreen itself. So in this case, you should contact Samsung support or visit a Samsung service center to get the hardware checked or replaced. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.